Welcome to the installation of the easy-to-install greenhouse door latch. Begin the assembly by drilling a 1-inch hole 5 inches from the edge of the door at desired height. In this step, we'll place the main handle of assembly through the hole in the door, gently tap the handle through the door using a hammer, and twist the main handle and front plate into place. Next, slide on back plate and place in position. The hardware used depends on the framing material used for the door. Bolt front and back plates on with the 2/4 inch by 3 inch bolts provided with the kit, or use self-tapping Tek screws as shown in this video. Be sure the latch turns freely. Finally, mount door latch guide with 1/4 inch by 3 inch bolts, or use self-tapping Tek screws as shown in this video. The guide must be flush with the edge of the door so that the door latch rests flat. To complete the installation, mount latching plate to the door frame using self-tapping Tek screws. Note how the latch rests completely horizontal.